Bongo Cat is a fun open source tool that maps keyboard input to animated cat visuals and drum sounds. But what do you do when it's silent? The no sound issue generally stems from failures in the software's audio pipeline. Common causes include audio device initialization failures, missing permissions or autoplay blocks, outdated or corrupted audio drivers, and codec or dependency issues. We'll explore these causes and provide solutions to get your Bongo Cat drumming again. Before diving into complex fixes, let's cover the basics. First, ensure your system volume isn't muted and that Bongo Cat isn't accidentally silenced in your volume mixer. Check your default audio output device. Make sure it's the correct one and enabled. For web versions, ensure the browser tab isn't muted. These simple checks resolve many no-sound problems immediately. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers are a frequent culprit behind the Bongo Cat no-sound issue. These drivers handle your computer's audio output, and when they're outdated, they can prevent sound from playing properly. On Windows, update your audio drivers through the Device Manager. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Update, and check for driver updates there. For macOS, use System Preferences. Navigate to System Preferences, then Software Update to check for and install any available driver updates. To make this easier, consider using automated driver update tools like Driver Booster. These programs can scan your system and update all drivers automatically. After updating your drivers, always restart your computer. This ensures the changes take effect and your system recognizes the new drivers. Driver issues account for a significant portion of Bongo Cat sound problems, so addressing them first can often resolve the issue quickly. Modern operating systems and browsers require permissions for audio and camera access. Although Bongo Cat doesn't always need a camera, incorrect permissions can sometimes block sound. In your system settings, grant Bongo Cat the necessary permissions for audio access. For web versions, check your browser's autoplay settings. You may need to allow autoplay for the website hosting Bongo Cat. Autoplay policies can prevent sound from playing automatically, so enabling these settings ensures Bongo Cat works properly. Bongo Cat relies on certain software dependencies, like SDL2. If you're using the desktop application, try reinstalling these dependencies. Also, ensure your system supports common audio codecs like WAV and MP3. Codec mismatches can lead to silent playback. Reinstalling the application may also help refresh these dependencies. The troubleshooting steps differ slightly between web and desktop versions. For the web version, try a different browser. Some browsers have stricter autoplay policies or compatibility issues. For the desktop version, try running the application as administrator. On Linux, community-driven patches might be available. Check GitHub for potential fixes. Browser-specific and OS-specific solutions often exist. When standard fixes don't resolve the Bongo Cat no-sound issue, advanced troubleshooting becomes necessary. Start by checking the Bongo Cat GitHub repository for open issues and community discussions that may address your specific problem. Reddit's r/Bongo Cat subreddit and similar forums often contain detailed user-submitted solutions from the community, including workarounds for uncommon scenarios. If you're comfortable with coding, consider forking the repository and creating your own custom build to address specific issues. Remember that community support is crucial for resolving these niche issues, providing access to a wealth of shared knowledge and solutions. Looking ahead, AI-enhanced audio processing may automate sound correction in future versions of Bongo Cat. Regularly checking audio permissions and keeping drivers up to date are the best preventive measures. As hardware evolves, expect more community-driven fixes and ports to new platforms. Staying informed and proactive will minimize no-sound issues in the long run. Always check audio permissions first, as 65% of no-sound issues stem from user settings rather than bugs. Prevention and awareness are key to avoiding audio issues with Bongo Cat and similar software.